Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Click Wealth System review. Now I'm here inside the members area, and during this video, I'm going to give you its demo and what it does. I'm going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving Click Wealth System for only $1. Its real worth is $9, but when you buy from my link, you will get $8 back. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link, I will get some commission, and in this case it is $8. That's why I am giving your money back to you. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and you if you love this, then you will definitely buy some of its upgrade, and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you what is Click Wealth System is all about. So, ClickWell system is a fully tested and proven cloud hosted system that helps you to start making daily commission, and it also have a software included in it which allow you to automate most of the work, which is a very good thing. And with this you don't have to worry about any traffic, and the creator of ClickWealth system guarantees you that you will definitely get results with it. It only takes less than 10 minutes to make money from ClickWell system. You will also get training, bonuses and case study with full support in it. Everything you need to succeed is included in it, and with this you don't have to build your list or any website, and it is 100% beginner friendly. And more details of ClickWell system I will give you later in this video, so watch it till the end. So Click Wealth system is going live on 5 August 10 am EST. So when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page, and it will bring you to the sales page of Click Wealth system where you can buy it. So pick the Click Wealth system before my bonus phase expire, which I don't want because I spend a long time to put and find these bonuses so that you can get best out of as possible. And these bonuses are not going to be available through anybody link apart from mine, and I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below this video. Now let's see what are my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app, and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product, and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online, and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited, and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So, so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month, and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes, and the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. So my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I am giving your $12 back. So this is the next bonus I am giving to you. If you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $12 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day, and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to cost customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now, my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study, I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus. If you buy CB Traffic app from my link which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is mine is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2k CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them. So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you need to do is click on the link which is down below of this video and come on my bonus page where you can buy it. Just be aware that it goes live on 5 August 10 am EST. So when it goes live you can buy it. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history you can see there this blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $9. And as you know that I'm giving your $8 back with all of my bonuses. Now let's see the sales page of Click Wealth System. Now I am on the sales page of Click Wealth System, and as you can see there, find out how we turn 7 minutes a day into over $1,000 plus per day in profit using a simple push button app and a little known method for making money online. So you can make $1,000 plus per day in just 7 minutes or less. And here you can watch this video. It will tell you more about what is Click Wealth System. Now here are some of its features. A brand new system that you never seen before, proven to get results. You don't have to build a list or website. A push button software that automates most of the work. Turn 10 minutes per day into big profits. Scale up as big as you want. Software training bonuses and case studies, everything included. So you get everything to succeed. Now you can buy it by clicking this button, and there are some income proofs on this page, and there are some details about Click Wealth System on this page, as you can see there. And as you can see there, just in 3 simple steps you can get amazing results with Click Wealth System. Step 1, choose the verified customer source from our insider list. Step 2, used the included cloud-based software to create a Click Wealth profit page in just 5 clicks. And step 3, to become a middleman and get paid by directing your customers to the done for you profit page, and it is 100% free. So he is the creator of this product, Matthew Tang, and you can read more information about his. Now here are some more details, income proofs, and as you can see, introducing Click Wealth System, The ClickWell system is a brand new all-in-one money-making system. It is designed to give you everything you need to create a consistent online income stream without any hard work and only a few minutes of time each day. So, inside you get everything you need to do what you are doing. You will get push button software app, and this app automates almost everything. With just 5 clicks you are able to create click wealth profit sites. No selling required, and you can read more about it. You will also get profit quick start guide. You will also get step by step training. Get results in just 3 clicks. So it's a very good thing, and you can read more information about it here. More testimonials, income proof, and this guy also give you some bonuses to buy ClickWell system. Bonus 1, how to get free traffic. It's a full training course. Bonus number 2, done for you setup automation. Bonus number 3, case studies on tips to get $10,000 per month. And bonus number 4 is VIP profit inner circle. And as you can see there, it is also have 60-day money back guarantee, which means if you don't make money in 60 days, then they will give your money back to you. Now here you can see 4 reasons to grab ClickWell system today, and you can read it out in your own time. Now here's the list of everything you are getting with ClickWell system, and its real worth is 6,887, but you are getting it only a tiny fee of $9. Now here are some more details about it. Now here you can see there are some frequently asked questions. Is there a monthly fee? So absolutely no, it is only a one-time low investment. What's included inside the ClickWell system? Inside you will get access to push button software, training, bonuses and case studies. Is the ClickWell system newbie friendly? Yes, it is 100% newbie friendly. What makes this different? So there's nothing else to buy. This is a complete money making system, so you can get everything you need to make money from today. Is there a money back guarantee? Yes, it's have 60-day money back guarantee. How do I get a refund? We are always here to help you. If you have any questions, simply reach out to support@clickwellsystem.com. So you can reach it out if you have any query or anything else. So this is the whole sales page of ClickWell system, and it is very detailed product, so you can read it to more information from there, because I don't want to make this video very long, and check it out in your own time. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end product is Click Wealth system for only $9, and its OTO one is Profit Activator, and in this upgrade it will help you to get more users and boost your conversion rates so that you can make more commissions and more conversion rates, and it is only for $147. Now its OTO2 is Click Profit Multiplier, and in this upgrade you will get done for you email system so that you can boost your online sales and make huge amount of commissions with this, and it is only for $148. Now OTO3 is 5x profit site, in which you will get 5x web pages to increase your online income. You will get some done for you extra campaigns and traffic campaigns and profit sites, and it is only for $95. So it have only 3 upsells, and these upsells are very good, and in my opinion you should purchase it OTO number 3, because in this you will get some more profit sites so that you can make more money and you have anything you want. And it is only for $95, which is not too much expensive, and it's fully depend on you that what you purchase. So it's all about, and don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page. And thank you for watching my ClickWell system review, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care, bye.